Welcome to Docit Lite. Docit Lite is the ideal document management solution for small, medium, and large businesses. Docit Lite breaks down document management into 3 easy steps: capturing, indexing, and retrieving. Let's start with the retrieval. To retrieve, you simply click on the Retrieve button and type in the name of the document you want to find. In this case, we are looking for all invoices from this supplier. Here are the results of our search. We simply click on any of these results to get a preview. Once we decide which document we need to view, the system facilitates us looking at this document with thumbnails on the left and full size on the right. We can quickly go to whichever page we need to retrieve from any document in the system. We can print this document. We click File and Print, or we can send it as an email. We just click on Send To and Mail Recipient, and an email message is created with this file as an attachment. We simply have to type in the recipient's name and click Send. We can also attach notes for other users. Click on Annotation and attach a note. In this instance, we're being sent to look at another page of the document. When we go there, we see there's a hyperlink. To create a hyperlink, again you click on Annotation and select Hyperlink. You can then link to any document anywhere on the system. When the user clicks on that, it automatically opens that document for them to view. Let's try Retrieve again. Click on Retrieve and you simply type in any of the information that you have used to index this document. From a retrieval point of view, this system will respect whatever security policies you have in place. It also supports searching for different areas of your network, and it will remember the last 5 search areas that we used. Let's try Capture now. On the capturing side, the system is flexible and will support any Twain-compatible scanner. You click Start Scanning and the system will scan the documents for indexing. As you will see, our scanners are designed to be very quick and scan between 20 and 50 pages per minute. Once we have captured the images, we can then index them at our convenience. Indexing is again designed to be simple and quick. By clicking the Index button, the images we have scanned are displayed. We have full functionality by right-clicking on the image. We can fit to width, height, or zoom in on a particular area. We index our documents by filling in the information on the left. The information we use to index our documents is what we will later use to retrieve them. Docit Lite supports the use of drop-down lists. This facilitates an easy and uniform structure for indexing throughout your organization. As an example, I will now index 5 invoices for a particular company. First, I type in the supplier name. Next, I select a month for this invoice. And finally, I type in the amount of this invoice. When I have typed these, I click on Index and my invoice is automatically filed and the next invoice appears ready for indexing. Let's try that again. First, I type in the supplier name. Then I select a month for this invoice. Then I type in the amount of this invoice. Then I click on Index to file it and to bring up the next invoice. We type in the supplier name again, select the month for this invoice, and select the amount. Click Index, and as you can see, we're getting a message telling us that there's an invoice of this name already in the system. Docit is automatically alerting you to the fact that you have a duplicate invoice in your system. You have a few choices here. You can investigate and see whether you have been incorrectly sent two copies of the same invoice. You can choose at this time to auto-append, which means that you will automatically copy it on to the previous document. This means that instead of two invoices of the same type going into your system, you will have them on the same document. In terms of setup, Docit is designed to be open and flexible. By clicking on Options, we are given the choice of where documents will be scanned to. We can choose where documents will go after they've been filed. By clicking on Directory Selection, we can choose any directory on our network. By clicking on Fields, we can change the index information. Let's say we are indexing files for the Human Resources Department. We would change the indexing criteria to suit our particular needs. Click on Properties, change the index field name to something more suitable like Employee. Next we can change Amount to Start Date. Click Apply. We could also add in perhaps Department, and Department could be a drop-down list. We'd select our department list and click Apply. We are now ready to index information for the Human Resources Department. Overall, Docit Lite is extremely scalable and can be used with multiple users and departments. It is unique in that the documents after they've been indexed can be retrieved either through Docit Lite or through SharePoint.